because we really do the songs like the original record, you know, and we don't jazz them up or anything. To be honest, I couldn't. And what's great about our sound, and particularly my guitar playing, such as it is,
take the term loosely there.
Well, yeah, I progressed to where I play as well as they did back in the 60s, but I'm not any better. And so you get an authentic kind of sound. We're going to demonstrate that sound for you in this song by the Safaris, telling the story of Surfer Joe. Watch for my guitar stylings on the solo section because it'll exemplify what I'm talking about here. Authentic 60s sounds done by a guitar player who's really no better than they were back in the 60s.
Down in Yogi where the surfers all go, there's a big bleach blonde named Surfer Joe. He's got a green surfboard and a woody to match. When he's riding the freeway, man, is he hard to catch. Surfer Joe, now look at him go. Whoa. Surfer, surfer, Surfer Joe, go back home. He went down to Huntington Beach one week for the annual Surfers Convention meet. He was hanging five and walking the nose, and when the meet was over, the trophy was Joe's. Surfer Joe, now look at him go. Whoa. Surfer, surfer, Surfer Joe. Joe. Okay, let's go. Surfer Joe joined Uncle Sam's Marines today. They stationed him in Roseville, not far away. They cut off his big blonde locks, I'm told. When he went on maneuvers, Joe caught cold. Surfer Joe, now look at him go. Whoa. Surfer, surfer, Surfer Joe, go back home. Go, Surfer Joe. Whoa, poor Joe.
All right.
Ho-ho! Thank you, yes.
See what I'm talking about? You never have to worry about me starting up a jazz groove. It'll never happen. A little wipeout music there. What's happening now? What? Are there any folks